Hello everyone, welcome back to Bridge is for Everyone. My name's Jad. This is topic 25 of the extension series. I'll also add it to the Bridge 302 course, Better Bridge Bidding. The topic is the Rule of 20 and why I use an advanced point count rule instead. Let's start with an explanation of the Rule of 20 by using an example. This is board EQ1. You are the dealer. Here is your hand. You have 10 high card points and 2 long points for a total of 12 points. You have a singleton, so your hand is unbalanced, and you have 2 biddable suits, spades and diamonds. You apply the standard bidding rules. With less than 13 points, you pass. This seems a pity because your hand shape looks good. So let's try this again, this time using the rule of 20. The rule of 20 is quite simple. Start with your high card points and then add the length of your 2 longest suits. If this gives you a total of 20 or more, then you should open the bidding. Let's apply this to our example. You have 10 high card points plus 5 spades and 5 diamonds for a total of 20. So the rule of 20 tells you to open the bidding. You bid 1 spade. This feels like a reasonable bid. The rule of 20 has helped, but it seems unrelated to anything else I've taught you. There's a good reason for this. The rule of 20 was popularised in the 1990s. It was an attempt to use the length of suits to help evaluate a hand. This was before the widespread use of long points, and before I started using advanced point count. But I have a problem with the rule of 20. It does not fit into the system of point counting, a system which I think works extremely well for most players. It gives players something unrelated to calculate. But I do have a solution. If you have 2 or more biddable suits, add 1 point to the value of your hand. Let's go back to our example and try this. This time, when we value your hand, you have 10 high card points and 2 long points for a total of 12 points. Your hand is unbalanced and you have 2 biddable suits, spades and diamonds. Using our advanced point count rule, this gives you 1 additional point for a new total of 13 points. That's all you need to bid using the standard bidding rules. You apply the rules and open the bidding with 1 spade, which is exactly what you did using the rule of 20. So, does this new advanced point count rule always work like the rule of 20? Yes, in all cases, these 2 rules will result in the same hands being opened and the same hands being passed. Applying the advanced point count rule will look the same as the rule of 20, even to your partner. So, why do I prefer the advanced point count rule? First, it fits with our modern version of the standard point count system. Looking for biddable suits is something we already do when valuing our hand, so adding a point is easy. And second, it is understandable. It simply says that when considering opening, a hand with 2 biddable suits is more valuable than a hand with 1. This makes sense, as you're more likely to find a fit with partner. But I do have 2 notes of caution. First, just like the rule of 20, you can only use this advanced point count rule when you're looking to open the bidding. And second, opening more marginal hands is riskier. I recommend it when you are experienced and wish to bid more aggressively. This video looked at the rule of 20 and my more modern equivalent using advanced point count. Thanks for watching. If you found the video useful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Until next time, this is Jad reminding you that bridge is for everyone.